making a one-pot Japanese mixed rice. And I know it's September, the kids are back to school, adults need to start taking work just a little bit more seriously. So I know that you guys don't have a lot of time, and that is why I love this dish. It's actually made with Japanese mountain vegetables. Sometimes you can find packets of them at your local Japanese grocery store, but because I know not a lot of people have it, I have some really good substitutes. And it's just so easy to make. Like, I love the flavors of sweetened soy sauce and mirin all inside the rice. It makes it nice and fragrant, and I know that you guys will love it. So let's head to the kitchen and then let's get started. Rightio, so there's a package called Sansai vegetable mix that I will put a link to down below, but in case you guys can't find that, I have some leeks, some carrots, some mushrooms, and some string beans, and I think that it mimics the vegetables really well. So that's what I'm going to use. So right here I have 3/4 of a cup of rice that I've just washed. It's short grain rice. And then to that, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of cauliflower rice. And that just kind of reduces down that starch amount a lot. You won't even notice it. And then to that, I'm gonna add right around 1 cup of water that I've boiled with some kombu just to get some of that seaweed flavor. Time for those flavoring agents. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. And that's what's going to make this nice and Japanesey tasting. So this was a little bit of aburaage, and I learned this actually from Just One cookbook. She also adds in some of that just to give it a little bit more protein and also a little bit more texture. And then I'm going to throw the rest of the stuff in right on top. This is a one-pot dish. Bring it up to a boil, lower the heat, and cook it for 20 minutes. And once the rice is done, the vegetables are done as well. So that was 1 teaspoon of sesame oil that I love finishing dishes off with, and then salt and pepper to taste. Honestly, this dish is so comforting and clean tasting. Like, it's so different from your typical fried rice that can be overly oily. And this is just like kind of sweet and salty and mirin-y and just very Japanesey. Anyways, guys, I hope you all found this dish to be super yummy, but also super easy as well. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!